Today, I'm going to show you how to download any video from any website using Internet Download Manager, also known as IDM. So let's get started. Go to Google and search for IDM. Click on the first result. Click Try IDM 30 Days Free Trial. The IDM installer will start downloading. Wait for the download to complete. Click on the folder icon to locate your download. Double-click on the downloaded file to install IDM. Click Next. Tick the checkbox to accept the license agreement. Click Next. Untick the checkbox. Click Next. Click Next again. Wait for the installation to complete. Click Finish. Now open your browser and search for the IDM extension. Click on the first result. Click on the direct link to the extension. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Click Add Extension. Click on the extension icon. Pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Open your browser and navigate to the web page containing the video you want to download. Play the video. IDM will automatically detect the video and show a Download this video button. This button will appear whenever you are watching a video on any website. Click on the Download this video button to start the download process. IDM will then show a video download panel and offer you various formats and quality options for the download. Click on the three dots to select a location. Click Save. Click on the Start Download button to initiate the download process. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, go to your download folder to find the video. Double-click on the video to watch it. Repeat these steps to download any video from any website. Please ensure that you have the necessary permissions to download the video content, as some videos may be protected by copyright laws. Only download videos for personal use and ensure it does not violate the website's terms of service or copyright laws. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.